Nice. So we're back here to get started talking about animations, okay, inside Unreal. Uh, Animations of light, of cameras, um, animations of doors, the movements, the fluidity, okay? This module is gonna be a really cool module where we're gonna start seeing things moving, inside Unreal Engine, okay? Look at this. So I left here for you in the description the link, okay? Some of the objects that we're going to use for this module here, okay? You can click on it, on the link in the description, and you can download this, okay? And you can download, for example, as it is organized here, okay? The folders with the names, with the cameras, okay? So you can download them, all right? Besides this folder called animation, inside here you have two assets that are animated. One is the curtain and the other one is the water bathroom, okay? So you can download them and you can follow me, okay? In the other folder here you have a video, okay? That is a video of the V's here. Let's see. That is the video reels of the V's, so that we can use as an example to apply on the TV of the bathroom of the room, okay? And it's gonna be running in loop, okay? While it's happening, the animation of the curtains, of other things, okay? So it's possible that you can leave a video or animations being running while you're navigating this project, okay? Also music, audios, content, images, okay? So it's really cool. All right, so let's get started opening this file of Unreal Engine, okay? Nice. We opened the Unreal Engine. You can have here content. All right, it was corrected. Inside content, geometries, level, materials, Mexican textures, okay? So let's open the level. All right, piano house. We are almost getting to the class where we're gonna correct the reflection problems, okay? I think in the next module, we're gonna talk about this reflection here, how we can make it more beautiful. Let's optimize the file. All right, let's turn off the grass level. And let's turn off the layer of the light, artificial lights, okay? Then we're gonna improve the FPS, okay? As you can see here, nice. So it's organized here, all right? The rectangular spots and everything here, okay? The cameras, my names, the effects, and the static meshes. Alright, in this class, we're going to learn how to put a content on the TV, alright? In this class, we're going to apply a video on the TV, alright? That is the TV of the room. And this video is going to be running in loop, alright? In real time, alright? While we are navigating the project, while we are creating the blueprints, okay? It's possible to leave it running here. Okay, transitions, image transition. Okay, it's possible to leave it running here while you're navigating the project. We're gonna learn how to do it in this class. Okay, first thing that we have to do is to create the folders where these videos are gonna be stored and bring the video here inside Unreal, okay? Let's go. So, all right, content. First thing, let's create a folder and let's call it movies. It's very important, the folder with the name movies, okay? Because Unreal understands that inside here there will be videos, all right? It's really important that you save the videos in the correct place, in the correct folders, okay, as it shows here, because video is always a more complicated content, to find. So you have to put the video in two places inside Unreal. It needs to pull the video from your Windows, okay? It means that your video needs to be in the folder through Windows, so it can pull here. All right, how can we do that? We need to click with the right button showing the Explorer. Okay, look at this. Our project is here in the desktop. We have here the other folders. Look the folders that we have about our project: content, level, geometry, materials, backscan. Okay, we created a folder called movie. Look this folder here, movies. We are here inside our project from Windows. Okay, it's like we are here in the desktop. Like click here, Piano House. We have until here, Piano House 21. But if I go here, content, geometries, level, materials, backscan, movies, look here, inside here, I need to paste the videos. Okay, I need to put the videos here that I want to use in the presentation. So let's take this video, desktop, let's see. Alright, animation, movie. Alright, I can drag it, okay, and take into movies, or I can copy, Ctrl+C, and here in the folder movies we can paste. Alright, nice. I have the video inside the folder movies, alright, inside my project. So cool. Alright, our video is already inside here. So let's get back to Unreal. Inside Unreal, inside movies, we need to call the video here. Right button, media, file, media sources. Okay. With this parameter, I can call the video here. Okay. So we can call, for example, let's call it video bedroom. Okay, click on it, double click on it, and I try to find the video. Look at this, it is here, desktop. All right, let's see, content, movies. Okay, it's here. Open it. Nice. So it has found the movie. All right, where it was. Okay, let's close it here. Okay, so we know how we can find the video. We showed Unreal how it has to go. Okay, after that we need to do, like, we need another component, this media player. Okay, that's gonna run our video. Here you mark this option. Okay, you check this option. Okay, all right, let's call it media player bedroom. When you do it, it also adds a media texture. You see? Look at this. New media player, bedroom, video, media texture. Okay, it's a texture of the type media. This one is the type media player. Okay, because we're gonna use this component inside Blueprints. Okay, to call this video here. So I said where the video is. This type of file used to say where the video comes from. This one is to say that is the type of media player, so that I can use in the Blueprints, and it transforms itself in a type of media texture. Okay, if you double click on it, you're gonna notice that it calls the video. All right, but it calls the video, but you just listen to the audio. Well, probably you're listening to the audio. I don't know when you're watching this course, but If you're watching this after, maybe this problem was solved, all right? But in case you're watching like close to April in 2022, when you click here on play, you just listen to the audio, okay? The video doesn't run, okay? To make it work, we need to add also a plugin, okay? Let's see, Electra Player, that's the plugin. Okay, next to generation, playback. Okay, so let's restart here. Let's save all. Okay, for some reason with DirectX 12, that is the direct that we are using to make this project, it needs that plugin, all right, activated, so that can recognize the videos. Let's open the level again. Movies. Okay, and let's put the video here. Look, now it's possible. Okay, now we can see the video. So it's very important, in case you cannot see your video, don't forget to enable this plugin, Electra Player. Okay, just enable this, and I think that's gonna work for you. If you're using a DirectX 12, okay, that is the version of DirectX that we are using during the entire course. Okay, DirectX 12. Nice. So let's keep going. Another important thing is that it is always good to verify if it's checked here, play on open. It has to be checked here, marked. Nice. So let's keep going. Besides these three elements, we need to create a fourth element, that is the material of the type video, to put on the TV. Okay, one of the ways to do it is by selecting this object, clicking and dragging, okay, it to some element. This way it's gonna create an element in an automatic way. Let's do it different. Let's create a shape of the type cube, and let's put the texture there, okay, on the cube. Look at this. It has created the material. Okay, the material of the type media player was created. So let's double click on it. It's a material of the type media player. Okay, that was created, and it is searching the new media player bedroom. That is the texture of the type video. Do you remember that? Okay, let's close it here and save it. Nice. So let's get back here. We found the source here. After that, we enabled the video and also the plug Electra Player. After that, it was created the texture of video, and we put the texture of video here, so that it was created video material, okay, of the type media player. All right, now we can put this to run in our Unreal. Let's select this details, and let's direct this material to the TV. Let's see this one. Nice. That's the material of the type TV. If we click here on play, I get here inside, alright, and I can navigate, alright, along my project. Let's go here in the bathroom. Let's see the room here. Okay, it was supposed to be running the TV, but it's not yet, because we need to let Unreal knows that when I click on play, that it can get started. Okay, the video can run, okay, here inside Unreal. So we created the texture, we found the video, we transformed it into texture, we created a material. So now we have to let Unreal knows that when I play it, it runs the video. Let's press on the keyboard Shift plus Ask, okay, so that I can exit the game. Play, I get into the game mode. All right, Shift plus Ask, I exit the game. Okay, Shift Ask, I exit the game. All right, so now let's create the steps to call the video. All right, so that the video can run, you know, and we can see it. Besides calling the video, I also want to call the audio of the video. When you download it there, the file, you notice that there is a music. It's cool that besides the video, it also runs the music, okay, because that's gonna be better. Yeah, how can we do that? Well, we need, besides adding the video, we need to add the audios, okay. How can we do that? We have to put the audio of the type media song, okay. How can we do that? Well, we select the TV, add, we can search here media sound, okay. Nice. So we added a component of the type media sound. Nice. In media player, we want to add the new media player, okay. We want to add this component to the media sound. All right, for now we want the music to play this type of stereo, not just one side, stereo. Let's put this option here. Nice. We added a video, we added the sound, and now we can let Unreal knows that we want to run this when the play gets started, like when the game gets started. How can we do that? Well, adding blueprints, okay. Blueprint is a way of coding in Unreal, okay. Let's go here in blueprint, open level blueprint. In this window is the blueprint window. It's the first time that we are having this contact, okay, but you're gonna see mainly the blueprint module, okay, because we're going to use this window a lot to put coding inside Unreal, okay. And through the blueprints of the objects, we can create interactions, we can change materials, textures, we can add sounds, we can increase speed, okay, decrease, and we can turn on the TV or turn off the TV. All right, we can call or not a video. Through blueprints, we can create the codings inside Unreal Engine, okay. It's the visual way, more easy to create the code inside Unreal, okay. So to call the TV, we need to add a variable, okay, that we're gonna call it media player bedroom, okay. So we added a variable that is gonna be used to call the TV. All right, you click on compile, it has compiled. Let's see the variable type. Well, it's the type media player, okay. Let's try to find this here, media player. So we added a variable which is the name media player bedroom, okay. Variable type, all right, perfect. Compile, nice. After we can try to search our media player, and then we can add it here, or content, and bring it there and compile. All right, we added the variable, we found the type of variable, the variable type, and we put the media player bedroom. Okay, now we need to take the media player to our field of coding. Okay, because this way it's gonna be called when we click on play. How can we do that? Press the keyboard control, hold this, click in the variable, and drag it. Okay, all right, so the variable of the type media player is already in the scene. You can erase this here. All right, you can erase that as well. Click on your coding area and type begin, event begin play. All right, this node here is responsible to call actions from the start of the game. All right, from the beginning. All right, so all the time that the game gets started, it's gonna have something. So what do I want to happen when I click on play? Wow, I want this to call the video, which is the node that is responsible to call files of the type media. I can call source. All right, and let's search this. Let's search for a function called open source. Let's see if we can find this here. Open source. Let's see. Open source. Here. Open source. Okay, with this little F here. Alright. This F shows that it is a function. Alright, when the game gets started, I want this to call a function. I want this to initiate my media player. Okay. Oh, okay. So when the game gets started, it's gonna initiate the video with the media player. But where is this video? Because I need the file. Okay. Here, video bedroom. This one here. Okay. That was the same that you used to say where the video was. Okay. Nice. So let's go. Blueprint, open level blueprint. Look at this. Content. I click and drag it. Okay. Or I can search this. Okay. And I can put it here. Compile. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. So we're saying that when the game gets started, it's gonna call a function that is gonna open a variable, the variable of the type media player that has a video. Okay, and that's gonna call the media source. All right, that is this one here. Okay, when the game gets started, it's gonna happen all of this. Okay, now when we play, when we go to the bedroom, the video, we can see the video here. Okay, and you must be listening this song there. Okay, nice. Look at this. Pack 3. Nice. That's great. Press Shift plus Ask to exit. Another thing that we can do is, for example, to put an emissive material, okay? So that it can emit light, okay? So let's access the content here, access the material here. What can we do here? Well, we can create a multiply that is gonna multiply that is getting here in RGB and send to emissive color. Okay, and we can use a scalar parameter, okay, that we can call base color intensity. All right, let's leave the default value in 1. Okay, this scalar is gonna multiply what's getting here, and the result is gonna send to base color and to the emissive color. Unlike the instantiated material, we're going to use a material master here, okay, of the video to send to the TV, okay. Intensity 1, I think we can put like 10. Let's see, let's apply it. All right, I think it's too much actually. Let's put 2. Let's see, 1. I think 1 is okay. 2, I think 1, yeah, 1 is okay. Let me exit the base color. Let's wait, it's processing. If we change here to default lit, let's see if that's gonna recognize this. Let's play. No, we have to leave it like default, yeah, and direct in the base color, yeah. So let's get back, default lit, and direct in the base color, okay, and apply it. All right, okay, nice. This way you can add videos to your project, okay, to your TVs, your panels, okay, and also audio, okay. If you want, for example, remove the audio, you go here, media sound, okay. You can, for example, click here, clear, and it's gonna remove the audio, okay, just in case you don't want to use the audio, okay. So you can remove the audio. All right, and actually let's do it. Let's clean the audio, okay. So there is the component, but there is no audio here and no type of media, okay, associated. If we play, let's see, just the video is gonna run without any sound, okay. Nice, perfect. All right, shift plus ask. All right, I'm gonna finish this class here so that it's not gonna be too long. All right, and we keep going to the next subject, that is, for example, how to bring elements, animated elements from other projects or other formats to run here inside Unreal Engine, okay. And then we'll be right back. See you.